The 6th China International Import Expo concluded in Shanghai on Friday. This year, more than 200 U.S. exhibitors have attended the annual Import Expo, marking the largest U.S. presence in the history of the CIIE. U.S. business persons have expressed their confidence in tapping into new opportunities in China's vast market.
As the world's leading import-themed exhibition, the CIIE is playing a more prominent role in facilitating trade flow and cultivating investment opportunities. China is a strategically important market for Dow globally. Our presence in China traces back to the 1970s. Today, China is the largest overseas market for us. We have always been committed to implementing our growth strategy in China, expanding our manufacturing capacity and product lineups to address the growing demands of the high-value downstream markets. 2023 marks the 6th year of CIIE, and Dow is honored to be a regular participant for all of those 6 years. Over the past 5 years, both Dow and the CIIE have been growing with the Chinese market. For Dow, this forum has become an important event in our annual agenda. It is a unique platform for us to showcase our latest technologies and solutions, as well as to engage the Chinese government, our customers, and partners.
中国是一个这么大的世界1/5的人口在中国，我们会持续不断的承诺在中国的发展和我们在从创新技术到我们产品，一直到我们的生产，都持续不断的会在中国投入。那同时呢，我们再从中国本土的这些产品研发出来以后，我们反扑到全球，受益于全球更多的患者。
The IIE is such an important event that we were able to engage with many external stakeholders, be able to nourish our relationship with government officials. We truly enjoy being in here because it's not only building this conversation, it's also energize our organization. I think it's a great platform because the nature, the vibe of CIIE definitely reflects the qualities of China business environment. It's open, it's transparent.
那从进博会这个窗口，艾博威其实是见证了中国对外开放的大门越来越大，见证了我们艾博威的中国员工从400多人到2200多人的这样一个增长奇迹。那其实进博会的溢出效应已经为我们带来了非常多的非凡的机遇，是让我们的展品从展品变成了商品，让我们能够与中国的政府啊、企业、协会、学术单位等等各类组织可以探索更多多元化的合作机会。